very pretty here. Hey, imagine the world would be always this peaceful and calm. Just focusing on ourselves and mind our own business. Thinking about that makes me hopeful that one day we can live in a world where we're all equal. Yeah, perhaps our encounter changed your perspective. In short, you made me softer. But it doesn't mean I would hold back when it comes down to getting what I want. Maybe I did lose on purpose. But what about you? Don't act innocent. I know you held back as you fought. Nah, I did give my all in the fight. I intended to take you down to be free, after all. Look at you. If we had met like this back then, you already would have lost to me in a fight. Yes, I am very, very happy that we can be together like this. But the feeling also feels overwhelming sometimes. I still cannot get used to it, and I'm just scared that this could be just a dream. When I wake up and find myself freezing in the metal room again. You're so warm. You're so warm. I wonder if I deserve to feel this happy by being with you. Gee, hey, what are you doing? We were both falling to the water. Oh, you. What were you thinking? You know what I noticed? You know what I noticed? You're that kind of person. The longer I look at you, the more handsome you are to me. You have been always this beautiful to me. Because you make me feel at ease. At those moments, I want the time to stand still and stay here with you forever. Without catching a cold, of course. And continue to dream. I'm now well aware that this is our reality, thanks to the cold water. But I want to continue working on it and make our dreams a reality with you. That is only your fault that I become this cheesy silly. But your happiness spreads to others, me included. Oh. My love, my salvation. Your action did make me realize that I'm wide awake and that this is not a dream. That you are real. It's nothing. I just had some sand in my eyes. I feel sticky now, but I don't mind. What about you? You used to it? That sounds gross. Therefore, you do take a lot of baths quite often? Or should I be worried that when I'm not around you, you neglect your well-being? touching. Ugh, I feel nasty right now. Oh. You can't help but to hug me, do you? Even though we're both icky right now. But I don't hate it. I just let it happen because it is you, right now, who I'm with. Uh, oh. Mm. Right? The wet scent is so sticky with salt water. I'm sure the body tastes super salty with all of it. Perhaps even sandy. Though the warmth of the sun and the clear blue sky are nice. Oh? How come you remember this now? Hmm? I did tell you that I'd teach you anything you don't know about. In the end, you were the one who taught me so many things. I did learn that it is okay to show my true feelings. I can finally be myself without putting a facade on. And that is totally okay when I'm being with you. What I wanted to say is thank you for everything. If I made you cry, I apologize that I hurted you. I want to make sure from today onwards that I fill our days with beautiful memories. No more pain. Just you and me, learning how to love each other more, and us enjoying our daily lives together. Mm, mm. Don't cry. It's okay. You're not alone anymore, and so do I. Paradise? Maybe. It does look and feel like in a way. Hmm? Okay, sounds good to me. Didn't know you were such a romantic, and the type who likes to watch the sunset first before we go back. It's kinda cute though. Mm, I was going on and on talking about how I feel comfortable around you. But how do you feel? Nope, no judging allowed. Be honest. Mm, you like to listen to me? Ah, look at you. Telling me I'm cheesy and yet you bring this line to yourself. Mm-mm. Mm, I don't hate it. It's just I don't know how to put my happiness into words. So I show it through my actions because it's way easier. Oh, you know, I have an idea when we're getting back home. Psst. Mm-mm. You're about to find out, but I assure you, let's say it's gonna be a bombastic surprise. Don't worry, it's not word by word. I have no intentions to end you anymore. Only sometimes. If you annoy me, I can't promise. But I assume you probably think the same, right? I was just joking, silly. Come on, let's get moving and getting warm. Mind if I join you? Huh? If you say so, I can wait till you're done with showering then. Eh? I was baffled. We need to work on your expression when you do jokes because you look way too serious when you're doing them. Oh,